During the 18th century, composers were employed through patronage to the aristocrats of Europe. Under this patronage system, composers were given food, housing, clothing, and musicians to play their works. In exchange, composers were on the same level as servants and had to compose to the taste of their patrons and had to compose to a strict, normally short deadline. This short deadline led to the creation of forms such as sonata allegro form that composers used as a roadmap. It also robbed the composers of their creativity because they could not spend the necessary time needed to play with the music and create new melodies and inventions in music composition. But the composers were employed and their music was shared around the world. If a composer was a freelance composer like Mozart at the end of his life, one composer struggled to find work. Thus, there was a trade-off to the use of patronage.